Good, glowing, beautiful, sunny with some cloudy overcast on this depressing emergency alert. Crypto crash across the board. Suicidal day in the crypto market. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you come, like, subscribe, and share for one-of-a-kind company-made probability-based trading alert. All right. And at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, my channel is blowing up because I don't buy into the hype. I sidestep the hype and the criminal gangster cartel that have infiltrated and taken over the United States government, the Federal Reserve, in order to infiltrate and slither and sneak into the trading world to knock down the retail investor, to pound them into a state of submission, so that they will be government dependent, you see. But at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, we help you sidestep and audible the criminal gangster cartel and stay 2 steps ahead of them so you profit, right? You profit on this. I told you, like, subscribe, and share. We're up to $60 in our subscriber challenge to get out part 1 of a 10-part series on Bitcoin, technical analysis, and how to forecast in a probability-based way like I do, that is called all these crashes, because I incorporate news, prior price action, prior pumps and bull markets and dumps from 2017, late 2017 December through early 2020, the bear market, the crypto winter. See jabroni, we're going to zoom out. We're going to get more in. We're going to pick out the jabronis, right? Jabroni. This is where I started making some headway on YouTube, as we had a pumping price and a down volume and an up and sideways consolidation, right? You see that? I'm going to do something for you real quick. So we're going to make this smaller, and then we're going to make that bigger. See how that line, I didn't just put that there. See that other one? These lines have been here for months, since this channel started. And this is how I got some steam on YouTube. Now we're going to go back in here and pull out our industry favorite perching tool, and we're going to perch high up here. See that? Now I can monitor my jabronis. See that? And we seen this. This is what's going on the back of a t-shirt. The front of the t-shirt, pumping price, pumping volume, bullish through January 11th. Very bullish in the weekly, up to right here. And then since then, crashing volume, up and sideways consolidation, often a sign, as you form a rounding top, the buyers or the bulls are being exhausted, and the bears or the sellers are taking over the market, and the price is going to come down. And we told you in the weekly time frame, way back there, when you were getting heisted and shysted by the criminal gangster cartel, we said you're in a rising wedge, upper support 1, or upper resistance 1, upper resistance 2, upper resistance 3, lower support cluster, and a whole cluster. And we said it's a tightening, narrowing range, and the price is going to come down. We didn't buy into the hype. We sidestepped the hype. I took a lot of heat back here from all over the people with 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 subscribers, saying the price was going way up there. You know, and I said, no, it's going way, way down there towards that 50-day moving average, right? Or the 200-day moving average. But the first was going to be the 50-day right here at about the 33,000 on our way down to 20,000. But it's an up and down jagged action. And there's much lower prices in here on in Bitcoin, right? You guys know that. My subscribers know that. You need to get these classes out. Donate to the channel. We're the only one on YouTube, undisputed cryptocurrency champion, Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. You haven't seen, go find one video of mine on Bitcoin, Digibyte, XRP, or any of these other shit coins that you guys are in, and find one buy alert that I've issued on this company, Roundabout Trading Alert. That is the only one that was issued a buy alert, and that was not from me. That was from the ghost of Riley Martin, way back with our company and industry YouTube rising, drawing to a way up here. We said it's going to break down because you're breaking out of the falling wedge, and the price was going to crash, and we nailed that. And we never, each time when it came out of here first, we issued our first buy or sell alert. If you were still in there swing trading it or a long-term holder and you had profit, we said it's going to come way down. And as it was dancing along here, the YouTube world started, their lips started getting fat. They started getting a little chubby down there, you know, because they thought you were about to rocket. And Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing said, no, not so fast. We're retesting and straddling this upper now support slash new resistance, and we're coming way down. And we did. We hit our $52,000 target first. Then we hit our... right here we had a target. Then we had a target down, I think 41,000, but I deleted the line on accident. I just didn't put it back. And then this was our outstanding long-term target. You say, well, why the fuck are you telling me a bullish scenario again? I'm getting the shit kicked out of me on a daily basis, and you keep telling me this shit's so fucking bearish. I need some fucking bullish news. Well, if you were paying attention, you would know we are very bearish right now. And you say, well, how the fuck do you know it's going to $20,000? Well, what do we know about wedge patterns, my subscribers? Hold on, let's pull out my eraser. Let's clean this up. And this applies to all these coins right now. Digibyte, I just happen to be doing this on Bitcoin. But I'll do a quick rundown at the end of this video just to show you it's all the same in all these coins. And here's how I know where the fuck the bears, where the patterns going, right? Because we're in a wedge. And this is just the start of a daily time frame wedge. We have a weekly and monthly wedge, but we'll get there as the price action dictates. This is a falling wedge, right? Or a rising wedge. And initially out of this, the target is the bottom of the wedge. And we hit that, I think, already. Come on, get this shit out of here. Yeah. I think we already hit that. All right, let's pull our drawing tool back out. The bottom of the wedge where it's the rising wedge is right here. Right? $30,000. That's why we had a major target there. But we're in an even bigger, that's the weekly time. That was the daily time frame wedge. But we're even in a bigger wedge. Right? And one of the bottom of the wedges, I got so much shit on here. I got to make some of this shit smaller. I'll come back to that. But the target is $20,000 at the bottom of that wedge. You see how quickly we're coming down to the bottom of here? The 30,000, 29,000, the bottom of this wedge, right? Nobody cares about NBA playoffs. LeBron James don't give a shit. So that's how we knew and dissected Bitcoin, right? Now, all these coins are the same. Like, subscribe, and share. Donate to the channel. Subscriber, trading alert requests. Powerful probability-based system that I trade upon that called this Dogecoin, right? If you want these trading alerts, get a hold of me in the comment section. Donate as little as $5, and I'll make an in-depth 5-minute trading video so you know what to look forward to in the next 24 to 48 hours. Or if you're swing trading it, trying to swing trade it, stuck in a trade that you can't get out of and never wanted to be in because the shysters and hustlers of YouTube got you in on the hype, and you're looking for some footing, just give me a quick donation. I'm very busy out here today, and I will get an in-depth video like I did, I think, 4 of them last night, and those will also go towards our subscriber challenge of the $100, even though you're paying for a probability-based company-made trading alert chart, right? Technical analysis to give you footing. I will also count that in a running count because I need to get this information out to you. But it takes a lot of time and a lot of work. And when I release it to the public at a very cheap, as low as 1 penny per subscriber for an hours-long in-depth video, right? Just donate to the channel so we can get that out. Look at that. And that's how we call Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Remember, that's why I'm the undisputed, non-challenged, can't even come close Dogecoin champion. Because I've been calling the jabronis out, and the jabronis were born way, way, way up here. Remember that? You guys remember this? We're going to go on a trip down memory lane with our perching tool, and I'm going to be embedded in here. Remember when we were here, and I described how we were in a topping pattern, right? And then all the jabronis were getting bought in right here by the hustlers and shysters for Elon. And Elon took the stage right there. And you got an initial 4 to 6% pump. Everyone got excited. And bam! They got hit right in the fucking face. Dead off a 3,800-foot Sears Tower. Smacked headfirst into the ground. Splattered like a pancake. Because the jabroni killer was up here shooting the ducks as they were trying to break over this key overhead resistance and a 12-year upper resistance that these jabronis, because fucking Elon Musk was going to wear a dog on his head, thought it was going to skyrocket. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing never issued buy orders anywhere north of here. We said you got to dump into this rally because it's going to roll over on itself and come way, way down, right? And it did. We took a lot of heat, but we were right. Now as we move our perching tool to the top, right? And we go over here. We continued to tell you it was going to dump. And we didn't just tell you it was going to dump. We said as soon, back here, we said jabroni, 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 jabroni. And we made all the videos saying as soon as Elon took the stage on that great, faithful Saturday Night Live, we said the great Saturday Night Live dump would happen. And it did. And then we said there would be no great buyers. And we said jabroni, jabroni, bigger jabroni, right? And then we had, now we're going to move down with our perching tool. And then we moved way over here, and I sat up here perched, observing my jabroni. See how I can pivot? And I said jabroni, 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 and then jabroni, 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 jabroni. And then I diagnosed the pattern and put emergency videos out right here. You see how that's forming a bear flag or a bear pennant? I said, we're going to have a major dropout, and the bottom's going to fall out here. And I said jabroni, and it fell out. And then I said, all these people are saying it's going to go to the moon here. And I said, jabroni, jabroni. And I said another great dump of the 22nd of May, 2021 was going to happen. And then the great dump happened, right? And we were proven right again. And now I'm telling you, if you get any kind of meaningful bounce up to this overhead 50 or the overhead, did I fucking delete the 200? See, that's the only thing I hate about Eraser. I delete my moving averages. So hold on, let me get it back in here. Go in the here, and go to exponential moving average, right? Because we need that. It's a very powerful tool. It's one of the basket of indicators that Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing uses quite often. And we're going to go into here, 50, and I always go in the style, make mine a little bit bigger, and the 50 is going to be, I already have green, so we need it something blue will be the 50. See that? And I said, it's going to have the great dump, and it did. And now if you get the great buyers coming back in on the 23rd of May, if you come up to this overhead 50, look for it to get rejected. Or if it busts through there and somehow gets up to, say, it'll be down here more, the overhead 200 at 30 to 33 cents, with the great buyers, look for the great reversal, because that's just a great criminal gangster cartel buildup to have another great dump, and then you're going to be trapped. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Donate to the channel. Links are in the descriptions above and below. Thank you for watching and listening to Smooth Jazz 101.7 FM Detroit. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Radio Network. Peace and love. Peace and